Special equations. What does it mean to solve an equation? It means to find a solution, the value or values that make it a true statement. Let's try to solve this equation. So first we will simplify on the left by distributing the -3. And this will give us -3 and plus 9x. Parentheses will come off. There's no simplifying to do on the right-hand side. Our next step would be to get rid of a variable because we have a variable term on both sides. So we're going to have to subtract 9x. And we'll do this on both sides. But the variable term disappears. It cancels from both sides. This is a special equation where your variable has canceled out. What we care about at the end is whether we have a true statement or a false statement. If we have a true statement, like we do here, this one is true, our answer to it is all real numbers. Everything would make this equation true. This one is called the identity. So our solution is all real numbers. You could pick any number at all and plug it through the original and it would work. These were actually just alike. If you looked closely, they're turned around and it was disguised in the first part. Let's try to solve this next equation. So first we'll simplify. On the left-hand side we can distribute the 4. This will give us 8 plus 4x plus 1. And we can combine the 8 plus 1. So we have 4x plus 9. Then we will distribute on the right-hand side the -3 to the parentheses. So bring down our 7x minus 3x. Be careful here, plus 6. And the x terms can go together. 7x minus 3x is 4x. Bring down your plus 6. Now we have a variable term on both sides. We need to get rid of it. So we're going to have to subtract a 4x. We'll do the same on both sides. But we'll realize that our variable term canceled. We don't have a variable to solve for. This time we ended up with a false statement. So we want to answer that there is no solution. This one will never be true. When you're more experienced, you'll see it from this third line. The 4x is the same on both sides. The 9 and 6 are never going to be the same. This one is called a contradiction. And your answer to it will be no solution.